Good evening, guys. I'm Chaitali Thakre. Here we are gathered to announce our today's practice test winner. And on the basis of your performance, you all well perform. But on the basis of the marks, here we announce our winner. And she is Mrs. Sujata ma'am. So please come here and collect your winning gift. So please, Sujata ma'am. Congratulations. So I request to Miss Sujata ma'am, please give some words on your winning.
Thank you, everyone, and I'm deeply honored to stand before you as a recipient of this award, trophy, or whatever the gift. I'm very much thankful to Kiran sir for recognizing my efforts, and thank you so much, sir. And I'm also thankful. I'd like to thank to my Oxford family that always push me, always gave me the courage to do such things. And thank you so much, all of you. And I want to say that before joining this class, I was scared to speak in English. That was my fear in my mind, how I will talk in front of the people, how will I answer to the questions that have been asked to me. So I was very feared, I was very scared about that. But after joining this class, I have just completed a 1 month to join this class. But I found that very much improvement is there in my English, and it is because of Kiran sir. Thank you so much, sir, for arranging such a beautiful, valuable programs here, like GD, group discussion, and debate competition, speech competition, guest lectures. These are very much important to improve the skill of talking in English. And because of such practical knowledge, I am able to speak in front of you without any fear. So thank you so much, the Oxford Spoken English Institute and Kiran sir. Thank you so much.